No, yeah.
Hands.
I don't want to do it.
Feet. Socks.
All right, now, here we go. We're winging it. We're in moles of benzene. How do we get to grams of chlorobenzene? We got to get from moles of benzene to moles of my new chlorobenzene substance, right, Will? Moles. Oh, Will, you can stop in between these if you want to. You can stop and solve the answer and then start the next problem, since that's the way you've been working it. That'll be just the same. All right. So now we do our mole to mole ratio. Let's go ahead and figure out what we put there. What do we put in a mole to mole ratio? Do we use the periodic table or do we use our coefficients? Yes, we do. And my goodness, they're one for both of them, aren't they, Casey Lambert? You're not going to my party. All right.
You got it on the board. I know where to go now. We'll be there.
Okay.
I'm going to college visit that day to Reinhardt University
What?
for softball.
Is that a party for us?
If there's alcohol involved,
All right. Now, shucks, what units have canceled? Benzene, grams, right? How about moles of benzene? Moles of benzene. Now, what do I have here? If I stop the problem now, what is my unit? Moles of chlorobenzene. And what do I want? Grams. Well, that's a no-brainer. How do I get from moles to grams? Molar mass. Who thinks molar mass is the way to go? Why are you shaking your head?
Just a comment, Caleb.
About how great, like how hard is it? You're saying no. You're bragging on me.
All right. Now, Casey Lambert, when I put in my molar mass, do I use the balanced equation or the periodic table?
The balanced equation of the periodic table.
The periodic tables. Yes. Now, what do I always put in front of mole when I've used my periodic tables? 1. Right on. So up here, this is a 1 here, right? So now, what do I need to do to fill in my blanks? Don't I need to get my calc and my periodic table? All right, let's
When
do,
you get 78.
I get 78 G's right here. Does everyone believe that? So what happens here? It's not 78 anymore.
It's 112.
It's 77 plus 35 and a half, which is
112.
thank you.
We just
Oh.
put 0.5.
All right, now, let's do our
Let's put in the calc.
calc. You think that red box is big enough for me to write an answer?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Let's estimate. Those of you who don't have your calculators, let's estimate. What's 45 divided by 78? 78. Isn't it going to be a little more than half? 45 divided by 90 would be 0.5. So it's a little bit bigger than a half. What's half of 100? 50. So we're going to get in the ballpark of 50. What's the answer?
65.77.
65.47? 65. Are you okay? Is it 65.5, Ashley?
I got 65.76923077.
65.46.
All right. So now it's hard to read what I wrote here, but it's 65.5, right, Brian? All right. Wasn't that cool how the estimate was close to this?
Close to
Yeah. Those of us who didn't have a calculator estimated that it would be in the ballpark of 50. So what if we had gotten like 0.2? Then the calculator people would have been wrong, right? All right. Letter B.
Oh, dang. Oh, reason to.
I think if we keep doing this,